What's up, TOG gang? 44. Ooh, ooh. Listen, I'm about to make something really simple and easy. I normally don't do cooking videos. However, I'm going to do one tonight. Boo. What's up? So, I'm going to make just some noodles. I think I'm going to do these. I've been wanting to try these. So, I'm going to try these right here. This is my ribeye steak that I'm going to cut up, and I'm going to fry that. This is my bok chow. I'm going to pop bok choy, bok chow, however you want to pronounce it. This is what I'm going to be doing. As far as vegetables, I'm going to be cooking these, you guys. The only ingredients I need is minced garlic, hoisin sauce, a little bit of sugar, my little cute container. Some oyster sauce and some salt, Malaysian style, yes. And knowing me, I love hot spicy foods. I'm going to be adding a little bit of some crushed red peppers, and that's going to be it. I'm going to show you the process of while I'm cooking it, you know, just to show you guys what I'm doing. It's going to be really simple. You'll definitely get what I'm doing, so it won't be, you know, hard to follow. Okay, I'll see y'all later. Okay, you guys, so this is my bok chow that I prepared. I cut off the stems because they're so thick and big. So I cut the stems off and then I cut it in half because these were pretty big bok choy or bok chow vegetables that I purchased. This is my cut up steak. I seasoned it with black pepper, some garlic powder, and onion powder. That's just for a little bit of flavor in the steak. You don't really need much. And then this is all that's going into the noodles. All of this right here, these packets. Don't really say what's on them, just the different seasonings for the noodles. And then this is the wok that I'm going to finish the cooking process of the bok choy. First, what I'm going to do is boil it. That's my boiling water right there. That's what I'm going to sear my steak in. As you can see, that pan right there. Then I'm going to cook my noodles in this little old pan right there. I only need one pack, you guys. It's just me. One pack. That's it. So that is it for now. I will be right back. Okay, I'm doing the steak and the noodles. Just simple. Just put that steak on up in there, honey. Woo, look at that. I can't put it too close. Oh well. But it's cooking. The noodles, the steak, and bok choy is done. Yum, yum, yum. Look at that now. It's so yummy. Alright, so the next time you see anything, this is in my, noodle steak, okay? The next time you see me, I'll be almost... Alright, you guys, this is the finishing product. The steak, the bok choy or bok chow, however you like to pronounce it. I'm going to show you guys me eating it, because you know this is more so a mukbang channel than anything. So I'm gonna get with it because this looks really yummy. I'm gonna try it. Let me try a piece of the steak right now. Dang that. Well, I'll be back. I'm gonna look a hot mess, but I'm about to eat this in front of y'all. That's my job. I'm gonna go ahead and try it now. I just felt like some sauteed onions would go good with this, so I decided to saute some onions with it. Go ahead and put this on here. Pour it all on. There we go. Go ahead and try this real quick. Had a long day, so for the most part, I'm not gonna be on here that long. I'm just gonna try it for y'all. Look. I had it sitting for a little minute, sorry.